Image quality. ISO 125,600. Creative effect modes. No low-pass filter. With the same sensor as the D5500, and pretty much the same one as the D5300, the results from the 24.2MP chip didn't throw up any nasty surprises. As you'd expect, with all of those pixels packed onto the sensor, resolution is very good, with the absence of a low-pass filter allowing for intricate details to be recorded. For the best results, though, you'll need something better than the 18 to 55mm kit lens, while there's plenty of scope for decent enlargements too. Images captured at lower sensitivities appear to be very clean, with little or no noise present. At ISO 800 there's a hint of luminance noise starting to appear in shadow areas, but this doesn't have a detrimental impact on images, and it's only at ISO 6400 and above that the D5600's processing starts to really encroach on image quality. It's at ISO 6400 that detail begins to suffer, while both luminance and chroma noise become quite pronounced. Beyond that setting, while images remain usable, detail continues to decline, with saturation visibly reduced at the highest sensitivity. Finally, dynamic range is impressive, with the potential to recover plenty of shadow detail in raw images shot at lower ISOs. This latitude does decrease as you ramp up the camera's sensitivity, though, with ISO 1600 about the limit at which you can expect recovered shadows to stand up to close scrutiny.